Hello, traders, and welcome to your market breakdown. Today, we're zoning in on the GBPUSD pair, which has been under significant downward pressure, making it a focal point for many in the markets. Looking at recent price action, the prevailing sentiment for the pound dollar is decidedly bearish. We're seeing a clear trend of sellers taking control. Any rallies have been short-lived, with strong resistance forming around the 1.3640 level. This area has acted as a ceiling, with price being rejected downwards multiple times, confirming the strength of the sellers. Many chart analyses are indicating a clear bearish bias, with short positions being initiated. A key entry point for sellers has been identified around the 1.3580 to 1.3590 region, looking to capitalize on the downward momentum. On the downside, targets are clustering at several important technical levels. The first stop appears to be 1.3550, followed by 1.3530. If this momentum continues, a test of the major psychological support at 1.5 is very much on the cards. Some analyses even project a potential fall towards 1.3480. We've also seen that some attempts to buy the recent dips resulted in stop losses being hit, highlighting the current risk for buyers fighting this trend. However, it's always important to consider the other side of the trade. There is a bullish counter-argument, though it appears to be a minority view at the moment. Some longer-term analysis, using methods like Elliott wave theory, suggests this entire downward move could just be a large correction. The theory posits that once this corrective phase is complete, a major new wave of buying pressure could emerge, with ambitious targets well above the 1.40 mark. On a shorter time frame, some are watching for a potential bounce from a confluence of support around the 1.3520 level, which could serve as a floor for the current drop. So let's summarize the key takeaways. The dominant short-term momentum is strongly bearish, with sellers firmly in control. The key resistance to watch is around 1.3640. Downside targets are layered at 1.3550, 1.3530, and the major 1.35 level. While the bearish case is compelling, traders should be aware of potential support around 1.3520, where buyers might attempt to make a stand. The battle lines are clearly drawn between this powerful short-term bearish momentum and key underlying support levels where a reversal could begin. The critical question is whether sellers can maintain their pressure and break new lows, or if buyers will find their footing and turn the tide. As always, manage your risk carefully. Thanks for watching.